hope you're all doing awesome today and enjoying quarantine. Ashley was kind enough to come out here and she just trimmed my hair. She was a little nervous, so we did not record it, but I will show you later a tool that we have that makes it so easy to cut a straight line, especially when you're a beginner. I still use it in the salon, but right now she cut the back of my hair, and right now I am going to teach her how to cut just the front part. So this is kind of the bang area, right? So I think we can all put our hair in a ponytail and forget it that, you know, this part is getting long, but if you have bangs, they're probably driving you crazy. So even though mine are longer, you can do this with any length, and so I'm going to show you while I show Ashley how to do it, so stay tuned. What we did was we parted my hair down the middle, and then we did a triangle that goes right until like the end of your eyebrow, right? And that's just because these are a longer fringe. So I did that triangle and I showed Ashley what to do, and now she gets to do it. So go for it, Ashley. Here is my hair. You gather it all together in the middle. And again, there's more techniques, guys, but for right now, just to get you through this quarantine, okay, perfect. So you just twist once and then twice. And then really, this is great. Hold on really quick. This is great to see because Ashley is not tugging on my bangs. She is just letting them, like, no tension at all with her fingers. Show them. So see, that's what she's gonna cut off. Just a little bit of split ends. And then go ahead and cut, baby girl. Okay, perfect. So just like that. So then that way when you twist it, you don't end up with like that straight across chunk. You kind of end up with a little bit of angle around your forehead, and then that allows, if you want to cut more, you can. That's a perfect technique to start with. If you do have the thinning shears, you can do it with the regular scissors, or you can do it with the thinning shears, and then that makes it soft. But my hair is pretty fine, and this is where I highlight my hair the most, so it's pretty fragile up front, so I don't like to use the thinning shears right in the front. Okay, so sorry, I kind of forgot what else I was gonna tell you guys. So the other thing is, so like you saw Ashley do, she just cut about an inch, and they were like right around like my jawline pretty much. So here's the thing, like I said, no tension, but also if you have bangs, don't twist and then go up to your eyebrow. Let's remember that you can always cut more, but you cannot put more on. I mean, granted, it'll grow back, but you'll have to wait a little while. So I always like to start, if you want just bangs that are above your eyebrows, start like right at the arch of your nose, like start below, like maybe at the end of your eyes, and then just go little by little, and then you won't end up walking around with way too short of bangs. But if you do, just remember you're in quarantine, and so you don't see anybody anyways. So I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.